and on the kitchen tiles. Flash does the whole house proud. And try our magic eraser on those stains you thought you'd never shift. Looks like a sponge, cleans like magic.
Sadly, Freddie's got used to the odour in his bedroom. He no longer smells it. Yes, he's gone nose blind. So we helped break the news. Febreze Fabric Refresher eliminates sweaty odours in teenage bedrooms.
That's pretty impressive.
One of the many ways Febreze helps you and your guests breathe happy.
And to eliminate odours and freshen your car, use Febreze Car Vent Clips and breathe happy.
Great news! All kitchens and bedrooms at Cash & Carry Kitchens qualify for the government home renovation incentive. So to celebrate, we're going to double it. So choose from a range of selected kitchens, including our best-selling traditional ivory, and save up to a whopping €1,000. See in-store for details or go online to cashandcarrykitchens.ie.
You're very welcome to the kingdom. We're ready to rock and roll. It's all set.
They've come from far and wide.
We have the crowds, we have fantastic roses, and we're off to the dome.
And they're ready to party.
They're a fine rowdy bunch.
The local and international roses are ready for their big night.
They're here to have fun, and so are we.
Join Di O'Shea for the Rose of Tralee 2015.
Come on, I want to see all those banners up in the air.
Monday and Tuesday from 8 on RTÉ One.
Shortly, we join Sarah J. Maloney for this week's weather forecast with signing. Ach rivishin, nocht RTE o levig Siúna Geralt.
Dever mahas a tronhona. Der farlein ahanta go bhfuil cláistí a chur choras an trólan na glóistí tíú le bhéal as rocht daon gnó chun líon na gúrsaí a éilíonn pointí orda a chosant. De réad an nuachtán an Sunday Business Post-inmh tá cláistí a chur tuairn ar an líon maclainn a cheadaítar ar chúrsaí ordathe chun na pointí a chimeád ord. Deran talamh Philip Nolan uachtarán Olscoil Bhánút go bhfuil Olscoil na Feibhrú agus iad ag iomaíocht le chéile ach go gcuireann an nós áirithe seo isteach go mór air. Tá achanaí eile díonta ag muintir Sandra Collins ar aine go bhfuil eolas acu láirt lutha hain nó leis na Górdaí. Dhiimigh Sandra Collins ó bhío gan tosc gan tuairisc chuig mbliana diago hin. Is a gílála go deireanach a facathe Sandra Collins in na bathig I mína nula go chomhíle. Bhí sí 28 bliain d'aoise an am. Cuireadh leach a chineáin an ordainmh ag cé chialála an áit I chreideann na muintir a mariachaí. Tá feachtas ar bunchan aige de bhailúch an tástálacha clinicúla a dhéanamh ar vaicsín le haig an ghalar Crohns. Tá ferbert díonta ar an vaicsín seo le 3 bliana nuas ach ní cuireadh ar fáil dothar riamh ceall airgid chun tástálacha daine a dhéanamh air.
Is galar sa fotóga Crohns agus tá sé ar 27 míle duine in éireann, Benjamin Burrows san áireamh. Is do bhunú éireannach é Benjamin agus a bhaointer agus bhog sé an seo hasanna lena bháthair cúpla bliain ó hin le go bheitach sé céime dhéana sa Gaeilge in Nire.
Bhí mis san aspacha le mísa an ura agus cuideach mála orm agus bhí mála orm 8 mí ach tá reversal dianta, tá mála tú dianta agus ní se orm níos mó bíochas le dia.
Tá Benjamin agus a bháthair am fachtais le harige de bhalú le go bheith tar tástálacha daine a dhéanamh ar vaicsín le haig Crohns.
Rinne John Herman Taylor on vaccine. Agus bhí sé gobis ar a vaicsín os cín 3 bliain agus anis tá John Chonadici de testal go géir. Sa gcuí go mbeidh sé curtha ar tastálacha déama.
Tá leath mhilliún punt sterling ag tastáil sullarach for am tastálacha. Deir mórthir Benjamin go bhfuil cuimhlint a gceist dó thaobh an vaicsín MAP mar a thugtar ar a bhaoinú mar go gurthach an tiúnscoil déireachta ina chuine. Cuimhní Lion, nuacht RTE.
Deir na húdaráir sa tín go bhfuil breis is céad duine mar bhanis tar éis pliasca ceamicach I gcathair Tianjin de céadaoin. Tá 95 duine eile iarraig. Gortíoch breis is 7 duine sa phliasca agus tá scatachas san go donna. In bhí saidúí agus loch tórthála ag cuardach éon ábhar nimhúil sa cheantar. sé an naim an cheamicí a ghlana as an áit sal a disigh báisteach rud a dhéitach a hiile gás nimhúil a dhéanúnt. Bhí seo talmhaíocht de Bailbhúrne agus chúlé ar siúlanmh agus tar éis na drotheimseir a go léir tá locht agrathe ag cuineamhanis ar an náta a gcatharú.
Is in ort an choláiste áit ar cha aine a bhí ar scoile goláiste iascáine Bailbhúrne tamil a bhí seo na bliana sa. Na capel ar hef o bháin.
Tá líon na capel agus chaidán na capel go maith. Tá capel a gíonn seo a bhí huas a bléachlí an teachtain seo chaite.
Is beostoch ar a de bhaile.
Seo beag deiste seo an sá Bailbhúrne seo Bailbhúrne cúile. Tá raon beigh an bhain sá tá raon Charlies agus tá mór cúpla babainge anías ar fadóna.
Bhí seans ag na daoine óga gan dát agus na gaiir. Ach farír tá an cahiarlach ag chuoine bhar gáta an teo a tharú de bhar na drotheimseire.
Chaimí do ag ní an mar geola chas ní léon bahas diantaí.
Iad a fuis bhar bith an drotheimseire ar hen lé a caffar ará gur bhuiad ar siúd bhí an sa an na súpas. Barí me scoil nuacht RTÉ ag seo talmhaíocht a chulé is Bailbhúrne.
Tá airnach tar éis bháis sa Tanzáin. Tuigtar go dtís an fearbhíns na fichidí agus gur ó fortmar nóg im lá clé. Dúrach gur timpiste tragódach a bhí in na bhós. Inis bhaigh na sláite a gcíon mhara a gúnta na Agallamh don lá dearnach de chruinú na mód. Bunaíoch an éile in 1979 chun comóra I dhéanamh chradisiún na mód a tradiisiúnta agus thucéirí na Agallamh. Blianta ó hin buna chúsáidas na báidsa mar bhád ebre agus lastais. Tugach an bhin as Connemara go háirinúnta ach is móra deile a bhumpar siad idir chuire, stoc, mucha agus airí éagsúla a thuairt ó chuan go chuan. Agus sinna bhfuil gannig an buinte seo tráthnóla é dánig slán go fóil.
Good evening. A leading academic says colleges have been manipulating the admission system to maintain their number of high points courses. Professor Philip Nolan, the president of Maynooth University, says that colleges are limiting the number of students being admitted to such courses to keep the points requirements high. The wreckage of an Indonesian plane carrying 54 people has been found in the remote western Papua region. The Trigana Air flight lost contact with air traffic control earlier today. It was en route from the capital Jayapura to Oxbow in the south. It's not known if anyone survived. A service has been held in Crossmolina in County Mayo to commemorate Sandra Collins, a 28-year-old woman who went missing in the area 15 years ago. A memorial plaque has been unveiled at Killala Pier, where it's believed she met her death. Her family has renewed their appeal for anyone with information to come forward. There are reports that the world governing body of athletics, the IAAF, suppressed a study which is said to have found that nearly a third of the world's top athletes admitted violating anti-doping rules. The report in the Sunday Times and the German broadcaster ARD say the IAAF is blocking the release of the data. The IAAF has denied the reports. The 93rd annual commemoration for Michael Collins and Arthur Griffith has taken place at Glasnevin Cemetery in Dublin. Wreaths were laid on their graves by the Minister for Jobs, Richard Bruton, and the Minister of State at the Department of Finance, Simon Harris. And that's all for the moment. Good evening.
summer isn't just where the sun shines. It's wherever you open Avonmore Summer Whipped Cream.
Good evening and welcome to your weekly ISL weather forecast. Our weather will gradually become more unsettled this week with just showers in the early part, but then spells of rain or showers from Tuesday night onwards. The radar sequence shows today's showers mainly affecting Munster and Connacht. There'll be further ones this evening, mainly over the